Hello everyone. This video is about how to download official VCRUNTIME140.dll file and fix the program can't start because VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing from your computer. Error when you run some game or program on Windows 10, 8 or Windows 7. When you encounter any DLL is missing system error, you better not download a standalone DLL file from some DLL download websites and copy it to System32 or SysWow64 folder on your computer. VCRUNTIME140.dll is a part of Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable components, and there's a newer version of the same file in Visual C++ 2017 redistributable. To fix the program can't start because VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing from your computer. Error just download and install required components from Microsoft's website. Link is in the video description. Note that if you have 64-bit Windows, you should download and install both x64 and x86 versions of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable because many programs need 32-bit DLLs even on 64-bit Windows 10, 8 and Windows 7. After you have installed the components, you will have registered VCRUNTIME140.dll file in your SysWow64 and System32 folders and the error fixed. That's it. Good luck.